Alright, so what we have here is a 2006 Honda Civic. Uh, the issue I'm having right now is that the key that comes with the car doesn't work with the door, right? This door's probably been replaced, and they did not change the key cylinder from the original one. So now if you use the key, that original key, it doesn't even work. So that's what we're going to fix. So you're gonna have to remove the door panel so that we have an access. So there is a cover here for the screws. So you just pry it like that. There's a little bit of a lever here for a lock. So right now is the screw is exposed. So there's two screws on the bottom here. This is your handle. Bottom here there's two screws, 1 and 2. You have more screw. You have to take this panel off, and you still have one screw over here, and over here there is a plastic clip inside there, right there. You have to push just you'll have to just push that with a screwdriver. So now the panel is off. As you can see, there's a wire on the bottom and the cable for the door just hanging in there. You don't have to take it off. So that's the screw for the handle. One over here and one over here. It's right there. Not sure if you can see it, but anyway, it's over here somewhere. So you're gonna have to remove that bolt, and the handle should pop out. And you have to release this cable here or wire. Right, so after you remove that cable or that wire that hooked up here for the door lock, so you should be able to take this out like that. Just make sure this key cylinder, because you see this piece of metal here, it will block its way to come out. So you have to do just push it like that, so that it will have this handle will have a way to come out. So now I'm going to unscrew the electrical from the back here. So let's do it. Unscrew the back of the cylinder. As you can see, there's 3 screws here, and after that you just pull it out like that, see, and it should come out. So here's the cylinder. What we need to fix this. So this is the back of the cylinder, so we're gonna remove the clip. There you go. So you're gonna need the key to remove it. So now So here's our key that doesn't work. Remember, this key doesn't work for this, right? So as you can see, right? So the problem is to make this thing works, what all you have to do is to shave off those key that's sticking out. All right, if you shave that up, then this should be 100% work. You don't have to get another cylinder from the other door, and with the key you have to go to the rake yard, or if you have money you can buy at the dealership, but that's a different story. That's if you have money, then you don't have to do this anyway. But yeah, to save money and labor, you can use your existing key, whatever you have, as long as the same type of the key that it will insert to the cylinder. Even though if it doesn't work, you can make it work by shaving this that key sticking out, right? So that it will work. Once you shave this out, it will work. So let's do that. So here it is, right? So now the key works with this lock. So let me take this one off, right? So as you can see, it doesn't work, but if I push all the way in, it should work. See? So this key now is working with this cylinder. So now we'll put everything back. Oh. Okay. So put this. Is it right? Looks right. Yeah, so that's right. And then we put the clip. There you go. So now that's solid. Put the key. See? Now we have a working key without going to the dealer or any locksmith. You can definitely do this. So let's put this back into the car and see. Right, so I put everything back, put some lubrication in there, right? So let's try it or put everything all together. So you can see. So remember, this key won't work before, right? So now we're going to, this is open, so let's lock it. See, it's locked. Unlock. There you go. Lock. Unlock. There you go. Now you have a working key. So save some money if you want to do this yourself. But again, if you have money, then you don't have to do this. And if this helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, so that we can make more of this kind of video in the future. Thank you for watching.